What's going on? My name is Reginald Cuthbert. Most people call me Mr. C, and this will be a Toolbox Tutors Math Session. Today, we'll be working on simplifying this ratio using money. And by the end of this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to simplify this ratio. Let's get started. Before we get started, let's look at the 3 tools you'll need to make simplifying ratios with money a little bit easier. If you understand how much money each coin represents, how to multiply, and how to divide, then you can simplify ratios with money pretty easily. Let's go ahead and get started. So for this example, we'll be simplifying 5 nickels to $2. So we're going to simplify this as a ratio. So we have 5 nickels. Let's see. So we have 5 nickels over $2. Now, in order to make this simpler to work with, what we want to do is look at our first tool of understanding how much each unit of money, each piece of money counts, and we want to make sure we have the same unit on the top and the bottom. So now we know a nickel is smaller than $1. So what we want to do is change this dollar into how many nickels make $2. So over to the side, I'm going to go ahead and just bring over this 5 nickels because we're going to need to keep that. But $2 is the thing we need to convert to nickels. So first we need to look at how many nickels does it take to make $1. So now if we have a nickel counts as 0.05 and we want to make $1. So we can find this out by actually using your calculator, or we can work it out by hand. But $1 counts as 1.00. So if you have $1 and you divide it by 0.05, you should get 20. So that means 20 nickels equals $1. So now if it takes 20 nickels to make $1, that means for $2, all you do is double how many it takes to make $1, which would be 40 nickels. So now we could take this 40 nickels and we could put it under the 5 nickels we have. So we have 40 nickels. From here, what we want to do, since we have nickels over nickels, we can actually simplify by dividing what we have. So what number? We're looking for a number that goes into 5 and 40. And the number 5 actually goes into 5 and 40. So what we want to do is we're going to divide. Let me pick a different color so that this stands out a little bit. So we're going to divide this top by 5, and we're also going to divide this denominator by 5. So now once we divide by 5, 5 divided by 5 gives you 1 nickel over, and 40 divided by 5 gives you 8 nickels. So simplifying this as a ratio, 5 nickels to $2 simplifies to 1 to 8. That's one way of writing it using the word 2. 1 to 8 using this colon, or 1 to 8 written as a fraction as I have it over here to the side. But your final answer would be 1 to 8. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helps you out any, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any comments, good or bad, that you want to leave below, please don't hesitate to. Also, if you feel like you need further one-on-one help, don't forget to enter the contest on our website at toolboxtutors.com, where you can get free tutoring sessions by entering simple information in the survey. I'll leave the link below. Until the next time, have a good one.